First, I want to thank everyone who watched, liked, and commented on my angle grinder repair video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. Many people asked what my plans are for the grinders. I'm going to keep 2 and sell 3 to recoup the cost of parts. I swung by the shop that I got these tools from and surprised the owner with 2 grinders as a thank you. He offered to pay me and I declined, but I ended up leaving with more broken tools. I asked about the guards and he said they go directly in the garbage. They had just gotten some new grinders though, and he fished these out of the trash can for me. So that leaves 1 angle grinder that I'll be giving away to one of you absolutely free. This is number 4. It comes with a new guard fresh from the trash, a backing washer, and an arbor nut. I even customized it for you. The only requirements to enter are that you're at least 18 years old and live in the contiguous United States, also known as the lower 48. Besides that, I just have 2 requests. Number 1, it would be great if this grinder went to someone who will actually use it. And number 2, if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel and doesn't cost you anything. Angle grinders are not toys. They will mess you up in the blink of an eye, so safety is your responsibility. Also, my channel is called Mike Attempts. I'm not a professional. This grinder could fail prematurely and shoot hot shrapnel in your face. It's being offered as is, and I assume no liability. To enter, send an email to the address on the screen with only your first and last name in the subject line. I will leave this video up for the entire month of June and randomly draw a winner in early July. Check the video description for more details. Thanks again, and good luck.